Hey guys, I'm Anthony Canter, and then today we're going to be doing the first toy unboxing video. And that is going to be on the Avengers Mashems. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, there we go. Now let me put the camera down so I can open this. There we go. Alright, time to see who it is. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, who is her? Oh, hold on, let me put the camera down. I don't know who that is. Can you guys know who this superhero is? Please let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I'll see you later. Goodbye for now.